I was attracted to the job just because I love the way I could be so flexible and work my own hours. And as sad as it may sound, I actually love cleaning.
Well, I actually was part of Absolute Domestic 16 years ago and got married, life happened. 5 years ago I got in the boxing ring with cancer, and in the last 5 years I've been getting stronger, getting back on my feet, and I wanted to get back in the workforce, and I know I'm safe, secure, and I'm comfortable, so no forcing of you gotta work these hours, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. So I was like, got on and reapplied.
I actually had a friend who was part of the Absolute Domestic crew and spoke really highly of it, and he was the selling point.
Flexibility, I think I have young children, so only being able to work those days that I want to work, I think that was the big thing. For me, also to having a company behind it rather than just going out and randomly doing cleaning jobs on Airtasker or something like that. So having a company behind it to help you to get the jobs as well, I suppose.
Well, I actually love house cleaning, and I think I'm pretty good at that, so I figured, well, why not get paid for it? And secondly, I think the biggest thing I love about it is, one, being able to meet the clients' expectations and knowing or hoping that they would be happy with their house when they walked in at the end of the day. But also too, the second thing is me being able to look at the house before I walk out and go, gee, I've done a really good job. And it's really satisfying, like it makes you feel really good. So you hope that the client will be happy. Yeah. So.
Well, personally, I find cleaning kind of therapeutic. I don't know, it's just sort of like relaxing for me.
And now that we're out of school, I think it does give you the chance to explore, life skills, because I found that the job I'm currently doing is quite laborious, and it's just, you don't really learn anything new. But at least with this, we can meet different people and,
learn some new skills.
Exactly. Yeah.
Well, we're sort of friends and have been friends for, pretty much
Since
our
year
whole
eight.
high school. And we thought that it would be pretty easy to sort of work together in that sort of environment, because we get along and we'll be able to say, okay, go do this, you can do that.
And we know we can work together, so it shouldn't be
Yeah.
too much of a problem. It's just an easy team.